Kapag lumingon ka kay Boyet ka, Carol, ang ganda mo ah.
Ngayon lang ako maganda.
Maganda ka sa araw. Ayoko na, hihiya ako eh.
Uy, Boyet! Hindi, okay lang yan. Oh, see?
I feel so free. It's like a fantasy having you next to me. Suddenly it's magic. One look, one touch, words just won't say enough. When